Okay, good morning everyone.
Hello.
We are here today for a good cause.
That's right.
Nature's Emporium Run for Southlake. There are 1,700 people are gathered today.
Amazing.
To run, and today is the 100 years.
That's right. 100 years of what?
100 years of celebrating Run for Southlake.
Okay, that's a good cause.
Yes, and that
so many
is
people
Nature's
gather here
Emporium.
for running, good cause, charity events,
Run or walk,
and
whatever.
fundraising.
Yes. Do you want to go around?
Sure.
Run around this maze?
All
Okay.
right. Woo.
That is virtually every person here, and that's the thing we have to remember. Southlake has been there for us at every turn, and thank you to everybody here today for being here for Southlake.
Hi Said.
Well done.
It's a great day, great
Great
cause.
job,
You're
Melanie.
here
Almost there.
to help with Southlake.
All right, Milana.
Run for Southlake.
Let's go, Katie.
And amazing
Come on, guys.
charity.
Finish
I'm very
up.
honored to be part of
Well
this big
done.
event.
All right. Thank you so much, Bahar. It's
Andrew
very
Brown,
nice to
let's
be
go.
here.
Finish up.
Yeah.
It's a nice weather. Very good cause.
It's always good to just run
Great
for
job.
Southlake.
Great
It's
job,
very
Kaylin.
important. Southlake is
Great
one
job,
of the
folks.
best
Oh.
hospitals. I
Well
had
done.
personal
Well done,
experience with it.
Well done, Dan.
My dad was
Great
a
job,
cancer
Kaylin.
patient in this hospital,
Great job,
and I
ladies.
really,
Great job, Nicole.
really
Let's go,
appreciate
Lorna.
what
Finish
they
up.
did for him.
Well done, sir.
Yeah.
Great job.
We are
Lorna.
in Newmarket area,
Well done.
right beside the Southlake Hospital.
Great job there, Zoe. Come on, Libby, let's
It's
go.
very important
Finish
to
up.
run. It's very important to be healthy,
Give it up as you come on the home
and
stretch,
at the
folks.
same time,
Do donation.
Alexandra,
It
come on.
helps. It helps.
Let's
Always
go, Kaylin.
helps.
Almost there.
At Southlake Hospital also
Congratulations.
sees over
Thanks so much for
2,700
supporting
babies
Southlake.
per year. They have a very good maternity department.
Great job, folks.
And I have worked
Great
with
job,
them in the
Laura,
past,
Kaylin.
and very proud to be part of
well
this
done
big
there,
event.
Alex. Good job, sir.
amazing. Same here.
Great job. Another line.
Thank you so much
Another
Thank you.
line.
for
All right,
watching
Jennifer,
us.
Come on, almost there.
Cheers.
Well done.